I'm Rachel, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your headlights with Norwex. It's super easy. We're going to use two products. We're going to use our Envirocloth. This is your everything cloth. I have one specific Enviro that I use for my car. And we're going to use our cleaning paste. This is your elbow grease in a jar. It does so much. Everything from ovens, your headlights, to shoes, really just about anything. People say windows are the eyes to your home. Well, I kind of think headlights are the eyes to your car. When you have dirty headlights or they're kind of cloudy or fogged, they can kind of make your car look a little bit older than it actually is. And if you're anything like most of the population, we want to keep our cars looking pretty decent, right? You don't want to be driving that old clunker. Maybe you do. Maybe it's a vintage car. I can remember this one time. I had just gotten my driver's license and my parents so graciously handed me down the family minivan. It wasn't any type of minivan. It was like super old, really used. The doors didn't work. I quickly ran into a tree, busted off one of the side mirrors, which then got held on by duct tape until I could afford to buy my very own car. When I got the family minivan passed down to me from my dear sweet mom, she was the proud recipient of a brand new, to her, used car. Growing up, my parents did well. They had moments of struggle, they had moments of successes, but they always tried to be frugal and use their money wisely. One of the ways that they did that was they bought used cars. I'll never forget driving down to San Diego one day because my dad had found this amazing car and he wanted to get it for my mom. We got down there and the car, it looked pretty good. The only thing was the headlights were cloudy as cloudy can be. So my dad, being the sweetest man that he is, he bought her the car. She was so over the moon. And the next Saturday, he took me to the auto supply store to do something special for my mom. So we get to the store and he's trying to find a headlight restoration kit. He spent about $30 on this headlight restoration kit. We went out, we washed the car, we detailed the inside, we got it looking really, really good. This was pre-Norwex. It was not that easy. It was hard. Then we had to do the headlight restoration. It took us, I think, about an hour because we had to put the stuff on, let it sit, wipe it off, put on another layer of something else, grind it with a sander. It was a whole process. Man, do I wish we had Norwex. And we wanted her to just feel so happy with her new car. She, of course, loved it. But looking back on it now, oh, I wish we had Norwex. It would have been so much easier. This is way cheaper and it'll last you way longer than one kit. So to clean your headlights, this is all you need. You just need your cleaning paste and your Envirocloth. All you're going to do, you're going to get your Envirocloth wet with water. You are going to dip it into your cleaning paste and you are just going to scrub all of that film oxidization away. The whole reason why your headlights end up looking cloudy is because of oxidization. As you drive down the road, your headlights get exposed to heat and sun and UV rays. In the beginning, they all have a protective coating on them, so they look new and clean and shiny. Over time, that coating wears off and they become cloudy or yellowed. But with our Norwex cleaning paste and our Envirocloth, it's super simple to make your headlights look like new again. Occasionally, you'll just need to take your Envirocloth, dip it into your cleaning paste, and buff that oxidization away. Do you remember when cars wore bras? Like the black, some people still do it, okay? It's not recommended anymore. They say it actually hurts your paint more than helps it. I will never forget. I think I was like 6 or 7 and we're walking through the auto store and I'll never forget seeing these two large men talking about bras and I was mortified. I was so embarrassed because they were like, yeah, I think I'm gonna get the new, this new black bra. And I remember looking at my dad and going, and he looked at me and he said, honey, it's for a car. I thought that they were buying bras for themselves. I had no idea that there was such thing as a bra for a car. And I think they teased me about it for probably a good like 3 to 4 years after that. Every time we drive past a car with a bra on it, they'd be like, hey Rachel, did you see that car over there? And they wouldn't say the word bra because they didn't want to embarrass me that bad, but they would point it out. At one point, I also drove a smart car that was after the minivan. You know, the little tiny cars that fit 2 people? I even got the eyelashes for it. So it truly was like the eyes to my car. My eyelashes even had little diamonds on them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and press the thumbs up button and then go ahead and press subscribe.